In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Outlook. This quick guide is designed to make your workflow more seamless by helping you connect these two powerful tools. Let's dive right into the simple and straightforward process to get you set up in no time. First, you'll want to open the board within Monday.com that you plan to integrate with Microsoft Outlook. This is an important starting point because deciding which board to connect ensures the right information flows between Monday.com and Outlook, keeping your tasks and projects in sync. Once you've opened the board, direct your attention to the top right of your screen. Here, you'll find the Integrate button. Clicking this will open up a world of automation possibilities. The integration feature in Monday.com is incredibly powerful, allowing you to tailor how information moves between your apps. After clicking Integrate, you'll be taken to the Automations panel. This panel is essentially your hub for setting up integrations and automating processes to reduce manual work. In the search bar within this panel, type in Outlook. You'll then be presented with a variety of pre-made templates designed specifically for integrating with Microsoft Outlook. These templates are built to cater to common use cases and can save you a lot of time by giving you a great foundation to work from. Select the template that best aligns with what you hope to achieve in your integration. Whether it's syncing events, emails, or tasks, choose the one that will streamline your specific workflow. Next, you'll need to connect your Outlook account to Monday.com. To do this, look for the Connect button associated with the Outlook integration template you've chosen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to continue to the login screen for your Outlook account. Enter your credentials and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. This step is crucial to ensure that the two platforms can communicate securely and effectively. Once these steps are completed and your Outlook account is successfully connected, your integration setup is done. With Outlook now integrated into your Monday board, you can start creating automations within the Automations panel. These automations can range from simple to complex, depending on your needs, be it creating new tasks in Monday.com based on emails you receive in Outlook, or adding contacts to a list when you schedule a meeting. That's all it takes. You've just bridged two incredibly useful tools, helping you automate tasks and manage your projects with more efficiency and less effort. Remember, with everything set up, the key advantage here is automation. You can customize these workflows to suit how you manage your projects day to day, freeing up time and reducing the potential for manual errors. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.